Help you? You'll always need help. Because steam engines are cowardly, cranky, worn-out hunks of metal who couldn't hurt a fly. Yes, you are. Now, I've come back to find a lost steam engine.
What?
I'm gonna destroy her and dominate you. And then you'll be nothing but useless scrap. Right, Pinchy? They've been working on the railway all the livelong day. Yeah, who wants to work a livelong day anyway? Come in and join the party, Splod. Correction. Join the party that's over. Just like Twinkle Toes Magic Railway's gonna be over. Like the lost engine and the buffers that lead to her. It's time to finally put Twinkle Toes' lights out. This is a job for the boss! It's the old teapot! Smash him!
Smash him? Push
Pinchy, get back here! Pinchy, don't make me come up here. I hate it when you do this. I always mean what I do. You rattle traps.